India is a secular country where all the religions are treated with equal honor and respect. Mutual tolerance and regard for other religions has been the country's age-old tradition, and several examples upholding this tradition can be found at its every nook and corner. One such example is a Muslim man from Raipur city of Chhattisgarh who has undertaken the 800-kilometer long journey to attend Ram Temple's groundbreaking ceremony in Ayodhya.
As the entire nation is eagerly waiting for 5th of August to witness the groundbreaking ceremony of the construction of Lord Ram's temple at his birthplace Ayodhya, one man from Raipur has decided to travel 800 kilometers to be a part of this auspicious ceremony. Despite being a Muslim, Faiz Khan is an adamant believer of Lord Ram, and it is his faith in him that give him the courage to make this decision. Faiz started his journey from Chandkuri village of Chhattisgarh on 23rd of July, and his goal is to reach Ayodhya before the ceremony on the 5th of August.
रायपुर से अयोध्या की दूरी 800 किलोमीटर है। हमने आज 23 जुलाई 2020 को सुबह 10 बजे जय स्तंभ चौक से ये पदयात्रा प्रारंभ की है और 4 अगस्त 2020 को हमारा पहुंचने का लक्ष्य है ताकि 5 तारीख के शिलान्यास के कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित हुआ जाए।
Along with him, Faiz is carrying the soil of Chandkuri village for the foundation laying ceremony at Ayodhya. Chandkuri is said to be the birthplace of Kaushalya, the mother of Lord Ram, and thus it is home to Lord Ram's maternal grandparents. Faiz feels it is important to mix the soil of the birthplace of Ram's mother in order to seek blessings from the Lord before the construction of the magnificent temple. Apart from his family and friends, almost everyone is applauding this step of Faiz and is also helping him in possible ways to reach Ayodhya on time.
छत्तीसगढ़ जो भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी का ननिहाल है, जो कौशल प्रदेश के नाम से जाना जाता था, वहीं की माता कौशल्या है। कौशल प्रदेश चंदखुरी नामक गांव रायपुर से 20 किलोमीटर, वो माता कौशल्या का जन्म स्थान है, भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी का ननिहाल है। वहाँ से हमने ये मिट्टी ली है क्योंकि भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी का मंदिर अभी जो भूमि पूजन होने वाला है, सभी मंदिरों की, सभी महासागरों की, सभी पवित्र नदियों की वहाँ पर मिट्टी और जल अर्पित किया जा रहा है। मैं उनके ननिहाल से ये मिट्टी और जल का अंश लेकर जा रहा हूँ कि उस भूमि पूजन में एक भेंट कर सकें।
Right now, Faiz has reached Anuppur district in Madhya Pradesh, which is approximately 300 kilometers away from Raipur, the place from where he started his journey. Examples like Faiz are an inspiration for all and are playing a significant role in maintaining communal harmony and strengthening the secular bond of the nation.